Halloween is the perfect time to get creative with your nail art. Whether you're going for a cute and playful look or something more eerie and spooky, there are endless possibilities to express your Halloween spirit through your nails. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to create 3 fantastic Halloween nail designs that will surely impress everyone at your Halloween party. Materials needed: nail polish colors, black, orange, white, and any other Halloween-themed colors you like, nail art brushes or nail art pens, nail dotting tools, or you can use a bobby pin or toothpick, base coat and top coat, nail polish remover and cotton pads for cleanup, nail stickers or stencils, optional. Begin with clean nails and apply a base coat. Paint your nails in a dark, spooky color like black or deep purple. Let them dry completely. Using a fine nail art brush or pen, create a haunted house on one of your nails. You can add details like windows, a moon, and spooky trees. Don't forget the ghosts floating around. As with the other designs, use nail polish remover to clean up any mistakes and refine your haunted house. Finish off with a top coat to protect your eerie masterpiece. With these step-by-step instructions, you can create spectacular Halloween nail designs that will be the envy of all your friends. Whether you choose a spooky spider web, cute candy corn, or a haunted house, your nails will be perfectly themed for Halloween. So, get creative, have fun, and let your nails be a part of the Halloween festivities.